What's up, YouTube? This is going to be a really quick video on how I use an Epson ES-400 and Car Dealer Pro to upload to eBay. I previously recorded this video and I'm just going to voice over this video now. Try to make it quick, simple, very easy. This is the interface to the Epson ES-400 after you scan. This is what it looks like. I usually scan in the cards. I then take a look at all the cards, make sure everything's good. Here you'll see me hit save. You can name it whatever you want, save it wherever you want. Usually save it into special and specific folders, specifically for the sets that I'm working with. Car Dealer Pro is pretty good with updating their database. Some of the newer stuff won't be there right away, but they have been pretty good with updating. And I do not use the app on the desktop. I still use the website. I'm not sure why. I think it just found this to be easier. It's what I've been using. It's what I like to use. So you would come in here, you'd hit new, you'd enter a batch name, whatever name you like, whatever's going to help you remember it. I usually change the category, and I like to put it to the sport that it is. You can set templates for your titles, descriptions. You can even have inventories and locations and things to help you out if you have a crap load of inventory. So I do upload front and back. I then put in the images here. We'll hit upload. This usually takes some time. Car Dealer Pro will then process, scan the photos, take a look at the photos, and try to recognize the photos on their database. I'm going to fast forward somewhere until we get them all completed. 3 left, 1 left, and here we go. We should be really close to finishing. The last one would be the longest one. But here what I got is 9 cards, 2021 Panini Chronicles Gridiron King cards only. And that's just for an example. You can do multiple cards across multiple sets. For the sake of making it easy, I really like to do the same kind of sets. It does make it easier for you to work with throughout Car Dealer Pro. But as you can see here, my first card is a Rashad Bateman. Card number is GK28, right? Gridiron Kings. What it recognized is recognized Gridiron Kings pink in the subset parallel. You can open up this drop down box, find the regular one. It says Gridiron Kings. Always save changes. I always go back. Looks like I will be going through the cards. Just make sure all the names are correct. And we'll start here. A really good thing about Car Dealer Pro is that, see here they recognize bronze. I'll swap it back. Hit save. Here they recognize a regular one. Save. We're good here. Kenny and Guanu, regular one. Gridiron King, save. All of them are base Gridiron Kings. None of them should be colored. Sometimes Car Dealer Pro will recognize it as a color. If it does, this subset parallel drop down box is the easiest way to drop it down and find it. So Greg Rousseau, here we are. Gridiron King, Sam Ellinger. We'll save changes. I like to use Car Dealer Pro for eBay pricing. So if you didn't see what happened there is, you just drag it back a bit. Here in this right hand side, you'll see recent sales. You'll also see active listings. I don't use recent sales very much. I use active listings. When I use active listings, it'll pop up the active listings. I'm a buy it now, lowest price plus shipping kind of guy. I see the lowest price. I'm not the lowest price card on eBay. Sometimes I am. Most of the times I'm not. Only because we take a lot of consideration into packaging and shipping and using the right stuff to get the card to you in the best condition I could possibly can. Especially when doing eBay standard envelope, because the rules are a little different with that versus first class. But when you're buying a $1 or $2 card, who wants to pay $4 to ship that card to them? So everything I do with free shipping, and I'm always looking at the lowest price. So when I find the lowest price, I then adjust my price accordingly. You'll watch me go through all the cards, buy it now, always price shipping plus lowest first. If I see a card for $1.40, here I am, tad bit lower than the last card. And I'll do that until I have all the prices. I do the same exact thing over and over until I have all the prices, right? So Car Dealer Pro will find you your card, hopefully find you the correct set, the correct parallel, and then we'll help you to price it. If you have anything like a specific price in mind for, say, a batch of cards, you can also fill out the prices in bulk listing through Car Dealer Pro. I'm going to make a better video on Car Dealer Pro and how to use all of their stuff, as far as like bulk editing and bulk listing, adding things to the title that aren't there, and creating like templates for descriptions and titles, for buy it nows, for auctions, etc., etc. But finishing up this video here, I just want to keep this really short. As you see, this is what we do. We go from buy it now, price plus shipping, lowest first, always find the lowest price. And again, like I said, I'm not always the lowest price. Sometimes I'm a little bit higher than the lowest price, but I stay competitive, and I suggest you do the same. Because sometimes some people, when they're just looking to complete sets or pick up cards like this, they really don't mind buying the cheapest card. I do think some people will look at the feedback of a buyer, of a seller, and it says a lot about that seller. And I hold that to a really high standard, and for that reason, if someone's selling a card a little bit less than me, just know I can't speak for them, but I'm going to send you this card in the best way I can, most protected way I can, so I can get to you. And we're really quick with responses to messages and offers and all kinds of things. So fast forward. I always hit save changes twice, by the way, in Car Dealer Pro for some reason. I just find it to be a little safer. Um, this is the list view of it. You have a gallery view and a spreadsheet view. And from there, you can do the bulk listing. We will make another video on that because I kind of want to show you how you can change multiple things at once. And when I say that I like to do a lot of the same sets at the same time, this is the reason why. It's so much easier to deal with them. So here we go. When we're done, we're exporting, right? I always click free shipping because I do everything with free shipping. eBay standard envelope. I always allow best offer. It looks like here I won't allow best offer, but for the most time, most part, excuse me, we do allow best offer on almost everything. Once you get your spreadsheet there, I always like to open it in Excel just to see if anything has a flag. There's also quantities in spreadsheet that you could change that I've not figured out how to change in Car Dealer Pro. So I will change that there, etc., etc. And if you know how to upload the spreadsheet to your eBay, then you're all set. You're all good to go. I really hope this video helps you guys. I'm gonna try and make more videos to try to help people. Shout outs to JMax Sports Cards, who was a very relatable guy that I bumped into on YouTube recently. He's the reason why I went with the Epson 400. And I saw that he got into the Car Dealer Pro. I was kind of mingling with Car Dealer Pro a little bit before, but he helped me with a lot of his videos and showed me a lot of things. So I kind of want to just try and help others to find just easier ways to be more efficient and to maybe scale your business. Till next time. See you later.